Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk about the color wheel and how you can read the color wheel to help you remember how to mix colors. So if you know where the three primary colors are, red, yellow, and blue, you can read the color wheel. So let's start over here with red. So I'm gonna put my finger on red and yellow. I'm gonna put my other finger on yellow. And if you mix those two colors together equally, you get the color, do you know? You get the color orange. And so check it out. In between red and yellow, look, I'm gonna move my fingers right in the middle. In between those two is orange, okay? So if you mix red and yellow equally, you get orange. So if you ever forget how to make orange, you can find it on a color wheel. Okay, and then you can go out to the two primaries, red and yellow. So now that just reminded me, if I ever forgot how to make orange, how to do that, okay? Okay, so let's go to red and blue. Okay, so I have my two pointer fingers, one on red, one on blue. If I mix those equally together, do you know what you get? Okay, so if you remembered how to use the color wheel, you would see that if you mix those two together, right in between them on the color wheel is violet. Violet is another secondary color. You can also call violet purple. Those are the same thing, just two different names for the same exact color, okay? Okay, and then there's one more secondary color. So if I go over here and I put my pointer finger on yellow, and then one on blue. If I mix those two primary colors together equally, I'm gonna get the secondary color green, okay?